The next TLM in the mathematics kit is the clock. This clock is made on a strong mount board. If we have to make this at home, how can we make it? What material is required? Let us see now. This is our commonly available paper plate, generally available in shops. In this one, the curious thing is the teachers gave us a plan during the training session how a clock can be made using this paper plate. I am sharing that learning here. I am taking two plates. I will write the minutes on the sides. I will use the EVA foam to make the big handle and the small handle. In the center, I need to make a small hole and when we make the hole, let us write the numbers, that is the hours. This is 12 and 6. This is 3 and 9. Let us first write the numbers. 12 o'clock, 6 here, 3 here, and 9. Four, 10, and 11. Now we have written the hours. Let us go to the minutes. Let us first write the 0 minutes. Next is 15, right? And we have 30 here. 45 here. In between, it is almost like the table of 5. Hours and minutes. Now here we need to cut it, and then we will see the minutes behind the hours. Let us put 12 on 0. 1 is 5 minutes, 2 is 10 minutes, 3 is 15 minutes. So we make the handles, we stick the handles in the center. Let us fix the handles. Let us cut it out from the EVA foam. It is a little thick and hard. This is how we can keep the handles of the clock. We can use the push pin to fix it at the center. Now our clock is ready. We can put one color on the hours sheet and another color on the minute sheet. If we have to make it more colorful and attractive, we can use different colors and make it attractive. Once the color is done, I will show you how it looks. This is how some students have made it. We have used the drawing sheet. One is red and the other is black. A rivet has been fixed at the center. This is usually used in office files. Now we can use the pin also, but here rivet has been used. The small hand and the big hand. This is a little thin. We can make it a little thick using EVA foam. This moves around easily. Because the pin is used, it is a little difficult to rotate, and then we have to be careful about the pin. We have to bend it. Every child has to be taught the concept of a clock, and the expense is almost nil. You have to just buy the plate. Please use new plates. This is how, when the clock is made by the children, this is what we have seen here. This is a very easy way of making a clock.